you already saw the post where Muhoozi said, there is one fool that I will arrest soon. He's hiding behind my father, but I will capture him. He comes from Iteso. Then also, he said Elwelu is a buffoon. He is completely unworthy of our great army. He better run as fast as his small legs can carry him. But now, fresh, something new has happened. I was not following this development so close, but then I think Google helped me with my laziness, and gave me notification on my application that Hemke Rugaba has a post. And when I went to check on the post, I found the post has already been pulled down. And when you check it, it writes content couldn't be found. It may no longer be available, or it was removed by the publisher. Try browsing below for more on this topic. It gives you related topics to Muhoozi and the rest. But then, to look at more into this matter, well, you realize that when I went to my notification, because this thing does not go to everyone, to my notification on the official Google search application, which some of you use it as your browsers. Instead, you should be using Chrome, Permina, and the rest as your browsers, because this one is limited, it's just for search. No. It writes earlier, X.com, meaning it was posted on X. Muhoozi Kenerugaba had M Kenerugaba on X. And most of these posts recommended on Google from X are for only verified users, meaning it is confirmed that official account of Muhoozi. So when we roll on, you realize that when you click on this, it brings what I was saying earlier. Content couldn't be found, it may no longer be available, it was removed by the publisher. Try browsing below for more on this topic. And you realize related topics now, General Muhoozi stars diplomatic role over DRC, Sudan invasion tweet, Muhoozi tweets, diplomatic storm, and the rest. So that is what you're seeing being highlighted. Yeah, it is because with search engine optimization, what is called SEO, posts are not taken so fast, because Elon Musk is one of the richest people paying for SEO on Google. Despite him criticizing Google and YouTube and the rest, he pays a lot for his site, the post on his site, to be recommended using the search engine optimization technology of Google. So Muhoozi has pulled down the bomb he shot at Elwelu. So I think maybe Elwelu was wrong, and General Elwelu is not loved by Ugandans. That's the fact, because of his recent activities trying to be a hero. But then there's no way, if you speak publicly about somebody and also mention tribe like comes from Iteso, his people will be so angry with you, and they will look at you like, no, this guy wants something about us. And then also, you should praise in public, but then criticize in private. I think that is what Museveni has been doing. We have seen generals like Tumukunde and other generals talking against Museveni, calling him dictator, we need change, and the rest, even campaigning. But then now, this one, you go public. So, he was questioning diplomacy and the leadership, lack of leadership, and the rest. But, well, he's a CDF, and, I don't mean to disrespect anything. It is just an update, and it is factual. Negative comments I've seen directed to this channel or to me. Some of them saying, if you YouTube trouble, you get trouble. No. That one shows that you lack sense. You lack sense totally. We're here like mosquitoes. Muhoozi is looking at the elephants, not the mosquitoes. We are just busy here doing our things with no negative attitude towards anybody. And for a matter of fact, the thing is public. It's not an investigative thing. So that just shows either you're showing your own interest about me, or you're just ignorant.